Hi guys, it's the Crazy Mechanic. We're back again. We're doing a 12 plate Navara 2.5 track rod end, little 2-inch track rod ends. It's the offset ones. Simple job. We've already took the wheel off because everyone knows how to take wheel off. I assume everyone knows how to take wheel off. No, took wheel off. We've got a tri jack under there. We've got a safety jack under there. And we're changing this bit here. This bit replaces this bit. It's called the anti-roll bar link. Simple job. Sometimes they're simple, sometimes you have to cut them off with a grinder. So we'll see how we get on. So we're going to air this old one off and see if this one will go on. Oh guys, it's still spinning, so you can see we've put more grips on it to try and hold it. So we're going to try again. That's got it. So as you can see on these ones, we're going to put more grips on to hold them because they're awfully tight. So I've had to put more grips on to hold the sleeve. Spin it. Guys, you can see why I've got goggles on. Grinder, special cutting blade. This one's being stubborn because on about from the start, so it's got to be cut off. Only cut them off if you're confident to cut them off. We've done loads, so we know where to cut them. Okay, let's get on with it. You know, guys, a bit hot, but that's what you've got to cut off. A bit of the bolt. We'll show you when we get it off further. Now guys, after you've cut it, it comes straight off. You've got to cut it to get it off. Like I say, they can be a nightmare. That's the old bar. You can see why it was totally seized. That's why we had to cut it off. Right guys, we've got the new one in. Got the new one in place, as you can see. Brand new one. We're going to air it up now. They normally air up quite good, so we'll see how we get on with that. 19mm instead of 18. Simple as that. Everything you need to do after you put it on, just check it's tight with a long reach. So you fit an anti-roll bar link to a Nissan Navara 12 plate. We've put the wheel back on. You know how to put wheels back on, most people do, but some people don't. We're putting the wheel back on, putting all the nuts back in. We're using a long reach socket. So I'll quickly, we're going to air them up. The only one we don't air up is your locking nut, because you can damage it. So locking nut, let's use a simple bar. Just torque it up like that. Always check your nuts after a few miles, make sure they're all tight, recheck them. That's it guys, see you on the next one.